Ciao friends! I just want to thank you for subscribing to the SQL BI YouTube channel. We reached the 50,000 subscribers milestone, and in less than 1 year, we doubled our numbers. It's amazing! So, what's next? We already have more than 400 videos in our channel, so while you wait for our next video, you can always watch something we have already published. Videos about DAX and data modeling have the advantage of not becoming obsolete. But if you are tired watching our videos, you can read articles, books, or just play with the many tools we support: DAX Studio, Tabular Editor, and the brand new Bravo for Power BI. That's all folks, at least for today. Stay tuned and enjoy DAX!